guys, this is Angie. I'm here again to share all my new or another recipe, guys. So we make a pan recipe, guys. So yeah, this is a something different, and then we what we see inside the our kitchen. So we plan to make something also different, guys. So you just see inside this video what I'm talking about, recipe, guys. Yeah. So but this kind of food is a there are many benefits to us, a human being, for us, for babies. And this is a carbohydrate also, guys. And yeah, in other country or provinces like uh, ours, when they don't want to eat the rice, they eat this one for uh, heavy meal for them, guys. Especially for farmers, they want this one, or very fast to cook, and it's really stay long, or to make sure belly or stomach are full a day, in a day, when you are so hectic work. Yeah, this is also a nutritious. You take nutritious vitamins. Yeah, got a lot benefits you take from this kind of food, guys. Okay, so let's get started, guys. First thing I make to this recipe, guys, is to either you boil the potatoes, you boil or steam, is okay. And but if you want to steam them, but the size the potato I use today, I use for make this one is medium size, guys. And to steam, you cut into one whole potato. You cut into 2 or 4 so that very easy to cook when you steam that one, guys. And yeah, so after that you drain and make a dry, then make a mashed potato first, and then you put all the seasonings. After that, then you add 1 cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour. That one I make, guys. But after that, a bit sticky, so I make some extra flour. And then yeah, you can see inside the video I make the way I how to make this recipe, guys. It's a fun, guys, to do, so make it different also. Yeah, it's nice. It's really good. The outside is really crunchy because I put some breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs I use is I mixture some, put black pepper, salt, herbs, to make something also seasoning, guys, or taste. What I say, taste, not only plain breadcrumbs. So yeah, you can make a twist also if you want to other way, guys. So we need to put it on a kitchen towel first, guys, so that the oil will bring out all the oil. Then we need to set aside first. Later on, we need this one. So this is now the mashed potatoes, guys. After mix all the ingredients inside or the seasoning, so you're gonna add the 1 cup of flour. So there you go, guys. This is extra flour, guys, to make the dough to dip so na stick. And this is one the beaten eggs and breadcrumbs mixture, this one, guys. And after that, make a bowl. This is bacon bits to put inside this food, or to make after you make a bowl. And then there you go, guys. Then frying, just make a golden brown. And don't be sure, make sure you're not burn. So look like this, guys. It's so sticky, so I need to dip some flour so that can make a ball. After that, make a ball. Just press, use your thumb and then press down a bit, make a hole, and then take some bacon bits, then put inside, open, then close, then turn around, make a ball again. Looks like this, guys. Then dip it in the beaten egg, then next the breadcrumbs, then throw inside the pan. Yeah. Crunchy siya, guys, oh. Pag-ibig ko, ano ko yung ano tulog na kami napaka-crunchy na. So this is now my potato balls, guys. Looks like this I make. So heto na ang ginawang recipe today, guys. Is a potatoes. We make a balls, potato balls. So this is now, guys. Yeah. So whatever size you want to make, to form, or you make it very small or quite uh, small or medium, but for me I quite big. I think you can buy twice like this. This is the size, guys. So there you go. So crunchy the outside, guys. I'm just holding and I can feel the crunchiness. So we're gonna try and I show you. There you go, guys. So there. Wow, it's good. Oh, the one inside is the bacon bits, guys. I put a before I make a fully balls. This is inside, guys. Wow, it's good. Mmm, crunchy. Crunchy the outside and the inside is mashed potato. Nice. I think you dip with a sauce. This one is can go with ketchup or chili sauce, dipping sauce, or mayonnaise with a mustard, guys. But for now, I just eat to show you that is the goodness. The texture is okay, guys. Mm. Mm. Crunchy. Thumbs up. So okay, guys, so hope you like this food blog today again, guys. So if you wanna support this channel, my membership channel link is already under the description box. If you want to support, guys, go ahead and check. The membership is active already, guys. So thank you to everyone, guys. And yeah, so I end here my video, and my full recipe I just write down under the description box below, guys. Just feel free to check it out if you wish to make or to use my uh, recipe, guys. Yeah, oh yes. I never expectedly, or it's not unbelievable that I reached, wow, 10,000 subscribers now, guys. So shout out to all my subscribers to this channel. Thank you very much, guys. From my heart to say thank you to all of you there. So yeah, so it's not enough to say thank you to you all of you guys who subscribe to this channel. Keep or unending to support my channel. And yes, so always stay kind to everyone or people around you, guys. And yes, so please considering to subscribe, give thumbs up, and feel free to write comment down below so that I know also your reaction, guys. Yeah, so thank you very much. Okay, see you next time again, guys. Bye.